Do you also want to improve your English? But the problem is you don't have partners, you don't have environment. And that's why you are unable to do English speaking practice at home alone. So guys, I am also the one who has no partner, who has no environment. So me and you are on the same boat. So let's practice English speaking together. So today I'm going to think, let's take 30 days English speaking challenge and let's see how much love you put on my channel and how much likes I will get it. If you will not subscribe, if you will not like it, then I will drop this challenge in front of you, in front of everyone. I will try to drop it. But let's see, let's try first thing. So, okay. So in this topic, what you have to do is try to speak 1 minute in a day and let's see how much we can. Okay. You can talk more, but at least you have to speak 1 minute. Okay. So in my back, you can see I can use mirror also. If you don't have mirror, like if you don't have phone, so you can create your own video. Otherwise, you can stand in front of mirror and talk about yourself. Okay. So today's topic is introduction because this is your first day. So I just want to know what is your name, where are you belongs from, everything you can tell me in the comment section also so that I get to know that yes, people are liking my video. So here I'm going to share my introduction in front of you. So guys, my full name is Neetu Singh Baghel. I was born and raised in Delhi, but my roots are from Madhya Pradesh. And in my education, I have done my 10th or 12th class from CBSE board and I have done my graduation from Delhi University. Right now, I'm a homemaker. I'm a mother of one kid. If here I'm talking about my hobbies, I love traveling. I love to play with my kids. And together, I love dancing, singing. I'm a green lover also. I love planting also. These days, I'm learning two things. I am learning English also, and together I am learning stretching part also. In both, I am learning on the online basis. Like I am not investing a single money. I sit at home. I try to use social media and I saw some video. I see videos on YouTube and I try to speak and I try to stretch something. Okay, so these days I am doing this. And why I'm learning this language, I'm telling you guys. See, I want to utilize my time. So there is a one incident happened at my home and that incident tells me that Neetu, how much English is important and everyone should know. If you're a homemaker, so don't forget that in future you have to attend your kids stadium. Okay, but shore mat machao Gunu. Okay, so you have to attend your kids stadium. So that's why also I started to learn this language. Or see, I'm a homemaker, I'm a mother. So yes, my husband, he is a bus driver. So recently he started to drive a bus, but earlier, like we have our own car that we attached in Ola or Uber. And my son, he is 3 years old. So in this year, in 2026, he will go to his school. We will send him school. So then I will try to focus on my English on full. And the second one is also coming and he is also on the way. And right now he is resting his life. He is my warm. So right now I am also thinking something about him. Or what should I tell you more? Okay. Should I tell you anything? Now I'll just want to share only this much things. Okay. Now in the comment section, you tell me that how much you can speak on this topic and just pause my video and in the comment section, I also want your name and where are you belongs and where are you watching this video, because I really want that how much people are liking my video so that I can able to make second part of that. And truly guys, if you don't have partners, so we can practice English with each other. So you can suggest me some topics, we can discuss about on that. So let's see how the response will comes from your side. So yeah, I'm waiting for that. And yeah, that's all I wanted to share in this video. So try to speak 1 minute and that will help you a lot to speak more and more. Yes. Okay, ऊपर जाके देख लो चौक है. No. So bye bye guys. Let's meet in another video. Gunu, hello guys. Karo hello guys. Hello guys. So right now we just wake up now and this is his nap time in the afternoon time, and now I will give him something to eat, then he will go for the study. So I'll finish my study here. So bye bye guys, let's meet in another video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it's motivate me to create more videos. Bye bye.